Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my southern kitchen. My name is Ellen. Where are all my lemon lovers at? I've got a great recipe to share with y'all. We're going to make homemade lemon curd. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. Perfect on your favorite desserts. Also, you can spread it on toast, bagels, biscuits, you name it. And once you taste this, you'll never buy store-bought lemon curd again. And I'll post the complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. Also check out my previous video, Low Country Deviled Eggs. I'll post the link to that down in the description box below. So grab your pot, your butter, and juice up your lemons, sugar, because we're about to make some lemon curd magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is work on our lemons. On my cutting board, I have 7 large lemons. We're going to zest all 7 of the lemons and squeeze 1 cup of the juice. So using the box grater with the finer texture, which is going to zest it, or you can use a microplane. And just get the yellow, not the white, otherwise it'll be bitter. Alrighty, now we need the juice. Just going to roll it, and rolling it will give it a nice juicier lemon. Cut it in half, and we're going to juice it into my measuring cup and using a mesh strainer to catch the seeds. Alright, my friends, I've got my lemon juice and lemon zest together, and we have exactly 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. And off camera, I place my lemon zest into my bowl. We are ready to make the lemon curd. On my stove top, I have my medium saucepan. We're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar. Now we're going to add in our lemon zest. And using my fingers, we're going to rub the lemon zest and the sugar together. It will help release the oils. Next, we're going to add and gently stir in our fresh lemon juice. And over here in my bowl, I have 6 large eggs. And we're going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. Using my fork, or you can use a whisk, we're just going to beat it until it's well blended. Alrighty, now we're going to pour it into our lemon juice mixture. And my fire is on low heat. Give it a stir. We're going to let it cook until it thickens. Make sure you stir it constantly. And as soon as it thickens, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, the lemon filling is nice and thick. See? Also, you can tell it's thick if it coats the spatula. You can also use an instant read thermometer. Make sure it's at 170 degrees. That looks great. Love the smell of lemon. Now we are ready to strain it. We're going to pour it and strain it into my large bowl with a mesh strainer. Alrighty, the filling is nice and strained. Time to add in our last 2 ingredients. 1/2 teaspoon of pure lemon extract and 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick or 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I cut into cubes. Give it a stir until the butter melts. Oh, this looks so good. I'm in lemon heaven. This also would make a great gift to give to your loved ones. Alright, as soon as the butter melts, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, the butter has melted, and look how nice and smooth that is. Perfect. Off camera, I poured it into my medium bowl. Now we are ready to pour it into our mason jar. And I'm using a funnel to pour it in so that way we don't make a mess all over the counter. All right, my friends, there you have it. Homemade lemon curd. Don't that look good? And how simple and easy was that? And when it cools off, it will thicken up. I've got some toast in the oven. I'm going to get that out and then we'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I've got my toast right here and I garnish it with a lemon slice. Just going to add and spread the lemon curd all over my toast. Okie dokie, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Please have a bite. Creamy, refreshing, light and tart, bursting with lemon goodness. This lemon curd is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Lemon curd-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.